Fireflies versus Trint, which is better for you? In this video, we'll compare Fireflies and Trint to help you decide which transcription service is the best fit for your needs. We've added links to both products in the description, so feel free to check them out after watching. Let's dive straight into the features, target audience, and overall usability of these tools. Fireflies.ai is a versatile AI-powered transcription tool that excels in meeting and note-taking for teams. It's perfect for businesses, remote teams, or anyone who needs to capture and organize meeting notes quickly. Fireflies integrates seamlessly with popular conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, making it an excellent choice for those who need automatic transcription during live meetings. Its ability to collaborate within a team by sharing and commenting on transcripts adds an extra layer of productivity. Fireflies also offers voice commands and search capabilities within transcripts, allowing users to find specific points in a conversation without scrolling through pages of text. The platform's ease of use and intuitive design makes it accessible even to those who aren't tech-savvy. On the other hand, Trint is a transcription tool that is more focused on content creators, journalists, and media professionals. It offers a robust platform for editing and refining transcripts, making it ideal for anyone working with interviews, podcasts, or video content. Trint's standout feature is its interactive editor, where you can click on the text to play the corresponding audio, making it incredibly efficient for fine-tuning transcripts. Trint also supports multi-language transcription, making it suitable for global users or anyone dealing with diverse languages. Its integration with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro makes it a powerful tool for those in the content creation industry who need precise control over their transcripts and subtitles. So, which one is better for you? If you're looking for a tool that simplifies meeting transcription and collaboration, Fireflies is likely your best bet. It's designed for teams and works well in a business environment where quick access to notes and collaboration is key. However, if you're a content creator, journalist, or anyone who needs detailed control over your transcripts with options for multi-language support, Trint would be the more suitable option. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs, whether it's for business meetings or content creation. Both tools have their strengths, and by understanding what you need, you can make the best decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore these platforms further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make an informed decision.